You.
I was told that first they told me I had, they thought it was my hip. And so I went to an orthopedic doctor and they gave me a shot of cortisone in my hip. That worked for 2 days and then the pain came back severely. And I was to the point that I couldn't even walk, sit down. And this went on for months before I really did see Dr. K, or Dr. Kukurin. It started back in probably June of 2015. And by July, I could not hardly stand up straight. I went through agony until finally in October, I went to the doctor, and that's when they sent me to an orthopedic doctor. After I had the shot and I went back, he told me it wasn't my hip. And so I went back to my primary care doctor, and he told me that the only alternative now was to go to a surgeon because I had already been through physical therapy and none of it worked. And so I am a surgical risk. I have diabetes and I've had heart surgery. And my husband was going to Dr. Kukurin and he says, I want to take your MRI and show it to him. And I came in to see him and found out I had a pinched nerve in my back. Really, but when I went to the orthopedic doctor, he put me on Norco, and there was another one for relaxation pills for me to sleep. And that's what I was taking. Let's put it this way, I thought they were helping, and then the pills started really messing with me, and I was messing up my medicines at home that I have to normally take. And so I called my doctor and he told me to go on one pill at night. And that, just going off of one pill of Norco, that started really messing with me. I couldn't sleep at night, and I was crying, and I got up the next morning and things were very, very bad. I came to see him in the beginning of January 2016. When I came in, I couldn't walk and I couldn't even sit down without crying. And he got me into treatment right away. And I don't know what all he did. I know he stretched my back, put me on the table that stretches my back. And he put electrodes on my back. I would say don't ever have a surgery until you see a doctor like Dr. Kukurin, because you don't have to have surgery. I mean, they told me I was going to have surgery, but here I am now, and in March, I started really, really feeling good, and here I am today. I'm walking all over the place without a walker or a cane. I use my cane just when I go outside just for balance. I worry about balance, but I'm feeling great, and I'm not on any medications for pain or anything. And I got my husband to throw away all the pills.